Balancing a mix is a crucial step in music production that can make or break the final product. Here are 5 tips to help you balance your mix like a pro. Preparation is key. Before you start mixing, make sure that your session is well organized and that all the tracks are properly labeled and color-coded. This will help you focus on the music and not get bogged down by technical details. Set the levels. Setting the levels of each track is the first step in balancing a mix. You should aim to set the levels so that each track is audible and balanced with the other tracks in the mix. Try starting with the kick set at -12 decibels. Use panning. Panning can help create space and separation between tracks in a mix. You can use panning to place different instruments in different parts of the stereo field, which can help create a more interesting and dynamic mix. Use EQ. EQ can be used to shape the frequency response of each track in a mix. You can use EQ to cut out unwanted frequencies or boost certain frequencies to make each track sound better in the mix. Use reference tracks. Reference tracks can be used to compare your mix to other professionally mixed tracks. By comparing your mix to a reference track, you can identify areas that need improvement and make adjustments accordingly. Subscribe for more no-nonsense tips.